How to download Modpack with Modrinth in less than 1 minute. First, open your browser and search for Modrinth. Click on the first official result, then click Get Modrinth app and download it. Once the download is complete, open the file and wait for the installation to finish. As you can see, I'm already logged in, but you're not. Just click here and sign in with your Minecraft account. Now click on Discover on the left. From here, you can search for any modpack you want. Choose your modpack and click Install. If you get your modpack is missing the following mods error like I did, I made a separate tutorial showing you exactly how to fix it. Click the card in the top right corner or use the link in the description. Once the modpack finishes installing, just click play. And if you want to play your modpack with your friends on a free modded Minecraft server, I also made a full tutorial for that. You can find the link in the description. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one!